Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer chicken thighs with Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here 5 chicken thighs. We're going to season it first. We'll be adding some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we seasoned both sides. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. While the air fryer is preheating, we're going to pour out some Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce. There we go, that should be enough. We're going to use the sauce later. We're just going to put it to the side for right now. Okay, the air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken thighs. But before we put in the chicken thighs, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. We're going to put in the chicken thighs, skin side up first. These are pretty nice sized chicken thighs. Just going to squeeze it in. There we go. Now let's put it in. Going for 400 degrees for a total time of 28 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 14 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Okay, we have it all skin side down, and now let's put it back in for the last 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 25 minutes so far, and now let's add the barbecue sauce. We're just going to check the temperature, and it's above 165 degrees. Just going to check another one. Yep, we're good. And now let's add the barbecue sauce. You want to make sure that the chicken is cooked before you add the barbecue sauce. There we go. Looking good. Let's flip it over. Skin side up this time. Okay, skin side up. And now let's add some more of the barbecue sauce. There we go. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 28 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer chicken thighs with Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.